Do you want your money to work for you? It's a thought that intrigues many of us. If you want to know more about it, this is how to create passive income streams. First off, consider opting for credit cards with rewards you will actually use. The premise is simple. By choosing a credit card that offers rewards on everyday purchases, it allows you to benefit from transactions you would make anyway. This strategy could be an effective way to save money on regular expenditures and even assist in financing larger, more significant purchases. You could think of it as earning while spending. For example, each time you grab your morning coffee, do a grocery run, or fill up at the gas station, your credit card company rewards you. These rewards can manifest in several forms. Some cards offer points that can be redeemed at specific retailers, providing you with discounts or even free items. Others offer cash back on all purchases, which could be used to pay down your balance or for other expenses. There are also cards that give air miles, potentially helping you fund your dream vacation. However, it's crucial to maintain a balance. Rewards should not inspire you to spend more than your budget allows. It's recommended to pay off your balance in full every month, to steer clear of hefty interest charges. This method should be seen as a tool to help manage your finances more effectively, not as an excuse to overspend. Remember, use this method responsibly. Pay off your balance in full each month to avoid costly interest charges. Next, consider crafting a digital tool. The digital world offers a golden opportunity to earn money through digital creations. These can take the form of an application, an ebook, or even an online course. An application can be something as simple as a calendar or as complex as a utility app. An ebook can serve as a guide, a compilation of bite-sized tales, or a full-fledged novel. An online course can range from a coding tutorial to a culinary class, even a crash course on entrepreneurship. The enchantment of these digital tools lies in their capacity to generate revenue once they are made available online. The internet marketplaces operate round the clock, providing a platform for your creations to be accessed and downloaded at any given moment, culminating in a revenue stream that runs even when you sleep. The most enticing aspect? Once these digital tools are in place, they have the capacity to generate income recurrently, requiring minimal to zero effort from you. Speaking of online, why not make online content? In this modern era, being virtually present opens up countless opportunities. You could leverage this platform to channel your interests and passion, reaching out to an audience spread across the globe. Content creation encompasses various forms. It could be a blog, articulating your thoughts and ideas, a podcast for those who express better vocally, or even a YouTube channel, bringing visuals to your perspective. The beauty of this medium lies in its boundless potential. Your creativity sets the limit. Moreover, with strategic planning, this creative platform can transform into a source of income. Sponsorships from brands and contributions from viewers can become potential revenue streams. The virtual world provides a stage that can metamorphose passion into tangible income. It demands dedication, creativity, and a sprinkle of fortune. The right content, reaching the right audience, can generate millions of views, paving the way for a sustainable career. Hence, isn't it worth exploring the vast expanse of online possibilities and begin creating content? So why not leverage the power of the internet and start creating online content today? Fourthly, one should definitely consider investing in real estate. The investment generally involves an initial outlay, but the prospective returns over time can be substantial. Real estate provides a physical asset, and it can bring about steady income or significant profit through asset appreciation. Envision pouring finances into a property. It could be rented out, forming an alternative income. Transforming it into a vacation rental could attract higher profits. Consequently, the income from rent begins to flow in, making the investment pay off. You also have the option to purchase a property and resell it when its value increases. Implementing this method can lead to considerable winnings, promoting real estate as a profitable field. No matter if you're an experienced investor or at the starting line, real estate has regularly been a promising source of income. The adaptability and possibility of high returns cement it as a valid option for any investor. Now let's discuss storing money in a retirement account. This important financial strategy involves utilizing unique accounts, specifically a 401(k) or an IRA. Unlike regular savings accounts, these offer certain tax benefits. For example, your contributions could be tax-deductible or the gains might multiply tax-free. This is a savvy approach to increase your savings. The key principle here is compound interest. To break it down, it's a process where you earn interest on the interest already earned, promoting a cumulative effect that can enhance your initial savings. This allows your principal investment to grow continually as it accumulates, triggering what's called a snowball effect. Over a period, these investments can balloon significantly, primarily due to the magic of compound interest. This strategy could be an effective tool in your financial planning, ensuring a comfortable retirement. Over time, these investments can grow exponentially, thanks to the power of compound interest. Our sixth method involves automating your side hustle, a term representing a secondary job or business. In the modern era, side hustles are not just additional work, they are opportunities for financial growth. These ventures can range from selling handmade items to offering freelance services. The secret to maximizing these endeavors is automation. By developing an efficient system that oversees sales and delivery, you liberate yourself from continuous monitoring, giving you more time for other things in life. This system could constitute an online store for purchases or a digital platform that enables clients to reserve your services. Automation not only streamlines operations, but also enhances customer satisfaction, reducing errors, and guaranteeing prompt delivery. An automated system overseeing a craft business, for example, could handle orders, stock management, payments, and customer interaction. Remember, by automating your side hustle, you can earn money even while you're not actively working. It's like having a passive income, a beautiful way to enjoy the fruits of your labor without constant effort. Seventh on our list is affiliate marketing. A unique, convenient, and profitable method in the realm of online marketing. It allows you to promote products or services that you don't personally own or create. This marketing methodology revolves around utilizing a specific URL or unique identifier, more commonly known as a referral link. This link, essentially your ambassador, plays a crucial role in your promotional content. Whether it comes to embedding it in a blog post, incorporating it into an email newsletter, or using it in a social media update, its purpose remains the same. It's a tool through which you bring attention to the product or service you are promoting. When an individual clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you, as the promoter, earn a commission. This commission, which is your reward for the successful promotion, varies widely. It's influenced by several factors ranging from the price of the product to the commission structure of the company you are affiliated with. The actual allure of affiliate marketing stems from its incredible potential to generate a sizable income. This is particularly true if you've managed to build a large online following across various platforms. A wider audience base means your referral links will be exposed to more people, enhancing the likelihood of making sales. Therefore, with a substantial online following, affiliate marketing can become a significant income stream. Finally, consider investing in the stock market. It might seem unfamiliar with its ceaseless wavering and complex language, but it's an avenue to potentially augment your financial growth. It can be more challenging compared to conventional saving methods, but the possible high yield can tip the scale in its favor. The key to achieving success lies in interpreting and understanding market patterns and making informed decisions. The significance of education cannot be stressed enough. Various resources like books, web-based courses, and workshops can be beneficial. Starting with the elementary concepts like understanding the terminology and basic trading principles can be a good starting point. It's essential not to hasten the process, instead invest time in comprehending market behavior. Constructing a diverse portfolio is beneficial, as it distributes risk among different stocks, reducing the likelihood of substantial losses. In conclusion, investing in the stock market can be a profitable means to put your money to work. The secret lies in approaching it with knowledge, patience, and a well-structured approach. In summary, making your money work for you entails creating passive income streams. Achieving this involves multiple avenues, each with distinct advantages and disadvantages that fit different individuals' financial goals and risk tolerance. Therefore, it's essential to start as soon as possible. So start today and let your money do the hard work for you. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button. Keep bustling, keep money thinking.